Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme hair. Okay guys, so this was going to be, or I think it will be, my birthday wig actually, so I might just do the style on here. It might be a two-part video. Well, not two-part, it might look like it's a two-part video because I feel like when I'm ending this video, I might actually I might have my makeup on for my birthday, but I'm installing the wig from tonight. So yeah, anyway, so it's sponsored by Luvme hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So they sent me some lashes. They sent me the bag that I could put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. They sent me a comb and this little goodie bag. So I got this wig closer to Christmas, so that's why the press-on nails have like Christmas design and stuff. But yeah, they sent me this pair of earrings. What else? I think this is for your phone. I think it has a thing. I think it's for your phone. I think so. So yeah, and then this scrunchie, like, yeah, I'm probably gonna keep this off because it's cute. But anyways, that's what they sent to me. Now I'm gonna show you guys the wig. So this is her. This is how she looks. I went ahead and I bleached and plucked it, so it's already done. So it looks, it's the plucking for me. Okay, so for the specs of the hair, I believe this is a 24-inch hair straight. This is how it looks. I believe it's 24 inches actually, either 24 or 22, but I think it's actually 24. Yeah, 24. This is how the inside of the wig is looking. Comes with an extra band to keep it secure, and I'm going to be showing you guys the lace on my hand, if it will just, yeah. So just wanted to let you guys know that it is actually HD lace. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add my even tinted lace spray, which is this one in light warm brown. I'm going to add it to mostly the front area of my wig because I'm trying to do something new right now, guys. I'm trying to actually only keep the makeup and like the tint and stuff at the front part of my head, just because I feel like that's how it normally is. Like the front part is where you need to blend to your skin tone, but I feel like the stocking cap itself is supposed to look like scalp. So that's why, if you realize, I did not bring my my makeup all the way back. I decided to leave it at the front just because I feel like nobody's scalp is actually orange, you understand? Like, it's not orange. So I decided to leave it white because my scalp is actually like closer to white than orange, so that's why it's like that. So I'm gonna try to attempt the same thing with the wig and only put the lace tint on the front area and then keep like this area its natural color. Or I'll probably put this natural beige lace tint in the lower part of the lace, just because this is actually more white than it will blend more as a scalp as opposed to the light warm brown.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try. wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So hey my lovelies, this is pretty much 3 days after I did the installation of this wig, or actually yeah, 2-3 days. I did not forget to finish the part where I cut off the lace to show you guys how it looked without the lace being on it. You're gonna see it in this video as well, so you're gonna see that you don't really need baby hairs with this look, but I did I styled it, so yeah. But either way, you do not need baby hairs with this. This is the night of my birthday. Like I mentioned before, this ended up being my birthday wig, so I just did my birthday hairstyle while with this installation. So this is the night of my birthday, and it's why my makeup looks so like it was so cute. I loved it. I didn't do it, by the way, but like it's cute. I loved it. But yeah, I'm just getting ready for my birthday. So at this point, everybody was like calling me, where are you? Like, are you almost done getting ready? Like, we're gonna be at your condo just now. So this is pretty much me getting ready for my birthday as well. I do have a vlog coming on my birthday dinner and thing that I did, so don't worry, it's gonna be there. But for now, this is just the styling part of the hair. I didn't know how to do the back part on my own. I needed help with the back part, so my cousin did help me to do the back part. I don't think all of it was in the video, but to be honest, this video is really just to show how good this lace is and the quality of the hair, not really the styling portion. So yeah, sorry. So yeah, it is what it is. So you're gonna see my cousin coming in helping me with the back. I pretty much just wrapped it up, twist, and did it's like I kind of told her what to do, and she pretty much just executed it for me. But I will link a video down in the description box that I watched before I actually did this hairstyle. So that was where I kind of get, or that was where I kind of got the inspiration on like how to do a messy updo. So I will link that down in the description box, and you will kind of see like exactly how like you could do it as well. But yeah, I'm just letting you guys watch as I finish curling my hair and my cousin styling this wig and the finished product, which was so cute. I didn't do baby hairs on it. You don't need baby hairs, like literally. Like as long as you pluck properly, you'll be fine. And this hair came pre-plucked, but you know me, I have to pluck extra. So as long as you do your little plucking, you'll be fine. So this is pretty much the final look. Once again, I would like to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. I've been going back and forth with them for like 6 months now, or 7 months. And when I mean back and forth, like I've been doing like collaborations with them, and trust me, I've been enjoying every bit of it. Luvme Hair, their HD laces are always on point. Like it gives what it's supposed to give, and I love it. I'm absolutely in love. I loved how my hair turned out. I loved how my makeup turned out. I just loved everything about this install. This was so cute. The links to the hair will be in the description box. Everything Love Me Hair's website as well will be down below. Everything will be down below. The iron that I used to curl, everything. Okay, everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.